Happy birthday to you. I guess it's not like I care or anything. Happy birthday, dear Pebble. Humph, humph, humph. It's not like I hope you eat something good or enjoyed the stream. I'm not shy or anything. I can make eye contact if I wanted to. Yeah. Hey, look! It's Virgil. Where? Wait a second. You tricked me. You tricked me. How dare you? Wait! Silk Song? Where? Where? Silk Song! Where? You're liars. How could you lie about those things? Now, not only am I not facing you, but I have an angry face. Biboo, I noticed a mistake in your 3D. Your hair and dress are very bounty, but for some reason your chest is not. Did you notice this mistake? Will they fix it? Love, live, petanko.